progress. Good afternoon, everyone. I just want to go ahead and talk about the project, which was the on the part two of the music artist project. We're going to talk about the discussion of question number 2 uh for our class of the copyright assignment. Okay, let me go ahead and see if I can start the presentation. Sorry about that. Okay, so we are going to talk about part 2 of our project. So we have the Assure model. The Assure model, what that is, it's where what's going on. Oh, sorry about that. What's going on in the Assure model is we have the following, which is analyze learners. We have state objectives. We got the select methods and media and materials, utilize technology, media and materials, require learner participation, and evaluate and revise, which is analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. We're going to go ahead and talk about what we have. So in Analyze Learners in the Music Artist Research Project, in the project, the kiddos will implement a system where the teacher will be able to see how the students are actively engaged using critical strategies, thinking strategies, and working on the project individually. Me as a librarian, I will be help guiding the teacher regarding just to make sure that we have the resources available. But in this project, the students will be actively engaged. They'll use differentiated instruction, cooperative learning, and just like real hands-on activities that they'll be going into. The next part is state objectives. So the students will be able to complete the project by implementing skills in Microsoft Word. This is where it's 1 page of the biography. We have 1 page of the table they're going to create, which is the top 10 favorite songs. They're going to create a 1 page of a make-believe fan letter where it's going to practice their typing. This is where they're going to write in paragraph personal letter style, where you write, you enter about 6 times, make like a letter, like, the receiver and the sender, and then they just type a make-believe letter stating why they like this music artist or band. And then 1 page of the table of contents. The next slide we're going to talk about is select methods, media, and materials. So the rubric of the project will be used databases, resources from the district library. This is where students will be able to use the Gateway to the World Library databases. They can go to Google and look up the autobiography. They're going to use an MLA generator for this project to put the sources in MLA. Kiddos are going to use the internet to find their information, and they're going to turn in their project online through Canvas. Utilize technology and media materials. So our kiddos, students will be using the internet, online databases, as we mentioned before, Googling the autobiography and the MLA generator. Require learner participation, students actively engaged in the lesson, the project developing research methods. So our students will be able to, as we mentioned earlier, develop research, critical thinking, how to properly research, how to properly look for information to complete an MLA format, how to pretty much understand the concepts of not to plagiarize and how to properly make sure that they use effective strategies for research. Evaluate and revise. Our instructor librarians will provide feedback for our students where, let's say they want to ask questions, we can give feedback what's going on. Completion of the music artist research project where the students will need to turn in through Canvas. And then towards the end, after they turn in their project, our students are going to present to the class what they came up with. So pretty much what's going on is we're working on soft skills as well, so our students can practice with their presentation skills along with making sure that they understand this is how we properly research. So our rubric is right here. I will attach the separate file on Microsoft Word. The music project as follows, which it equals 100 points. 10 points will be the front cover, which is 1 photo of the music artist, which the students will need to provide with giving the author credit, whatever photo of, let's say, Elvis Presley, for instance, was the example. Whatever music artist they do, they have to provide credit for that. Include the name, class period, and instructor's name. Page 2 is going to be the table of contents where it's 10 points, where it's a trail of dots and it lists the pages. Page 3 is going to be the biography, which is 30 points. This is where pretty much where they're going to be seeing how to, they're going to type one page in double space. They're going to be answering the questions like, so how did they get famous? What things they got achieved, where were they at today? Those are the typical questions they want to answer. The fan letter, this is where they write in personal letter, a fake address will be put, and the music artist band will be a fake address. This is a fourth page where they're going to be saying why they like the songs, and that's pretty much those. Table of songs, so the kiddos are going to make a table with 10 songs, just any songs that they of the music artist they like, and they just list them. A photo gallery, we're going to ask for 4 photos of the music artist, and that will need to be in citations as well. 10 points will be works cited, which it's an MLA. So that's pretty much our rubric, what's going on. And this is the music artist research project where they'll be using effective research to prevent plagiarism and to be researching and using proper databases and going on the internet, looking up biography. I thank you so much for viewing my project. Thank you.